Today I am going to show you a case of Bell's palsy. He's got left facial now, lower motor neuron type facial palsy. I will show you real life case. Before that, little knowledge about Bell's palsy. You might have not seen. Bell's palsy, it's a commonest type of lower motor neuron type of facial palsy. Onset is very abrupt. Maximum weakness occurs within 48 hours. Usually motor type of palsy, no symptoms other than the sensory, or they are not there. Just sometimes they will have pain near around the ear. How to identify this facial palsy or Bell's palsy? There is a complete loss of paralysis of one side of the face. All facial muscles of the expression are paralyzed. Forehead muscles, eye muscles, smile, just muscles which give smile, all they are paralyzed. Then once you ask patient to look up like that, the furrows here will be lost on the same sort of paralysis. Eyelids do not close completely. You ask them to force to close, partially open, because eye muscles, the lid muscle, they are paralyzed. You can't close completely. Hence he develops exposure keratitis. That is eye conjunctiva, cornea, they get infected red and the tears will come down. The exposure keratitis. Other than we ask patient to close his eyes forcibly with all force, you find Bell's phenomenon. Eyeballs on paralyzed side rolls up when forcibly closing the eye. There is a drooping of corner of mouth like this, and loss of nasolabial fold, which is a prominent here. On paralyzed side, loss of labial fold. Mouth is drawn to opposite side. Normal side, mouth is drawn. So once you ask him to smile, it goes like this. Patient can't blow. Just air will come out, can't whistle. Many times food collects between the teeth and the lips, saliva dribbles. Sensory examination on the face, touch and pain, they are normal. Of course, mostly it's idiopathic. But post-viral herpes simplex type 1 infection is possibility. That's part of the management. How do you investigate? It's a clinical diagnosis. All investigations, including MRI, they are normal. CT scan, everything normal. How to manage such cases of Bell's palsy? It's a post-viral, sudden onset. The causes you have to treat. Sometimes it is because of diabetes. Sometimes it's lower motor neuron palsy. Maybe because of some tumor in the facial canal, where the Ramsay syndrome, herpes zoster, where the 8th nerve, 7th nerve they involved. You have to see all this. If nothing is there, then you think it's a idiopathic or post-viral virus associated Bell's palsy, lower motor neuron palsy. Treatment: eyes which are getting all the time opened up, keeping eyes open, develops keratitis, injury to eye, red eye, is advised to close his eyes with a cloth, and teardrops has to be used till he gets the power in the eyes. And specific treatment, there is no 100% specific treatment, but it's inflammation because of virus. We give antiviral drug, acyclovir, 400 mg 5 times a day for 1 week, and give steroid, prednisolone 1 gram per kg, and taper over 3 weeks. It gives great improvement. And also physiotherapy of the paralyzed side, also to massage the side. How is the prognosis? 80% case within a few weeks they recover completely. Sometimes they do not recover, 10 to 20%. They have some sequelae. The recovery is incomplete. Certain sequelae are, we can see many cases in the younger age group, they will find they are not improved. So all the time they will be facial contraction, they develop that side. Facial paralysis side. Sometimes crocodile tears when he eats, eyes will be tearing. Facial tics, so many things may be a possibility. But most majority they would have show you such case right now. You can see the case. दो मिनट मास्क निकाल मेरे तरफ देखना, मैडम तरफ देखना। क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम है शेख महमूद।
शेख महमूद। उम्र?
उम्र 65 साल।
अब रिटायर्ड हो गए।
हाँ।
शेख महमूद 65 years, retired, resident of Nizamabad. He came to me for complaints that he is not able to close his eyes, tearing of the eyes, left eye, and deviation of mouth to the right side. Facial weakness he noticed, left facial weakness, or 2 days duration. Today is 3rd day. And he has no similar episode in the past. Diabetes, hypertension is known, not a known diabetic, non-hypertensive. But on investigation, he found that he has got diabetes, hypertension. How much they contribute to this cause of paralysis, we don't know. But mostly it's post-viral, sudden onset. Looks like. Let us see his features. ऊपर देखो, ऊपर देखो. You can see the right eye side furrows are very good. These are weak. Left side forehead furrows are very weak. आँख बंद करो. Gut. Left eye is not able to close. आँख बंद करो जोर से. Eyeball rolls up. Gut से बंद करो. Close. See this is Bell's phenomenon. It's rolling up. Left side up. Called Bell's phenomenon. Lot of tears are there in the eyes, and you can see that. दांत दिखाइए. Right side, the smile is smiling. The deviation more to the right side of his face, because left side is paralyzed. हवा भरो मुंह में. So he is not able to blow properly. It's a typical. So whole face, left forehead, eye muscles, left side, face, they are. You can see very nicely the nasolabial fold. This cell is very prominent, right side, which is very normal eyes. Normal, everything is normal. Left side you find flattened. Nasolabial fold is almost can't see. Zaban bahar nikalo. Can easily see that facial deviation is there. Tongue is perfect normal. So this is what. फिर से आँख बंद करो जोर से. See typical Bell's phenomenon. Eyeball rolling up. Left side is not able to close eyes. आँख खोलो. You can see the eyes is little red. Tears are there in the eyes. This will be there because of weak. So how to manage eyesight management? Already discussed. It's a live case, and you can see that what is done is normal. For this is going to improve. Treatment I prescribe here is same acyclovir 4 mg 8th hourly. 400 mg 8th hourly for 7 days. Steroid prednisolone 60 mg per day. Then tapering dose, eye drops, moistening eye drops, antibiotic eye drops also mentioned. Hydrazine to protect his eyes with the bandage. So So these are the few things. And the diabetes control, after CTP, we have seen that area of diabetes, anti-diabetic medicines, oral diet medicines, and diet restriction I asked. And I will follow this case closely. Let's hope that in 2 or 3 weeks it become eye ball movement become improve, facial movement which is there deviated will go up. So it's a typical left facial lower motor neuron palsy, well, left seventh nerve palsy, lower motor neuron type called Bell's palsy. Very classical case. Hope I think you understood. Initially, preface I said what is Bell's palsy. The site of lesion where the nerve is affected is in the facial canal itself. Just leaving before sternum foramina, there it is get inflamed, injured. That's why you got facial palsy. Okay, you understood? Okay. Bye then.